So this goes along with story stones. I've already done 2 YouTube videos that talk about story stones. And here are the ones that I have made over here. Okay. So the reason I'm telling you this is because it was too hot for me to be able to spray paint this box. So my plan was to spray paint the box a blue and then fill it with some sand. I got just some sand from Hobby Lobby. And then you could use it as a sand tray with the story stones that you're already using. So let's just pretend there's sand in there. And if you're not familiar with sand tray, the box is always painted a blue color. And the reason that is because the sand goes on top of it, so it gives us sky around it, and it also gives us a blue bottom in case they want to make lakes, or if they want to make lakes or ponds or anything like that. So pretend that it's blue and that I have put this sand inside of there, and now kids can go and they can, as we say, build a world in the sand. Or you can say, tell me a story in the sand. And you will have all of these that you can use just like you had a sand tray. And it's not expensive, and then you will be able to use that wherever you go, and you can just take it along with you for extra fun.